when you first launch Business Center with the Survey Advanced Edition, you're going to notice a couple new tabs. You're going to see a point clouds tab, a photogrammetry tab, and a macros tab. So these are mainly the new or the available features that are provided with the Survey Advanced Edition versus the previous editions. So the point clouds, you'll be able to work with more of the point cloud tools. The photogrammetry, you'll be able to work with the photogrammetry tools, as well as the macros, or otherwise known as TMLs. Some of these TMLs you'll see here, and there's other TMLs that'll be available if you go to the community, and you'll be able to download those and install them and be able to use those, as well as purchase from other third-party TML vendors.